Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to get so I would just get this image. So that's because if this is not a transfer image, I don't care. So I'ma just go ahead to background eraser. You need this app. So load your photo to check if it's a transfer background. You do that. If it's transferred there, you're good to go. You're good to go if it's transferred. So go to press. So check if it's transferred, and then just go back if it's transferred. And then go to Melon Playground. Let's go. And then you'll go to my editor. So you hear me? Go to my editor. So go to my editor. Then you need to go to my editor. And then press create new. And then you go load.
We literally thought it was Michael Jackson. He used to wear the jacket and used to wear the glasses. Oh, everything. That's where I got it from.
So like,
no, we used to we was like,
and I got kicked out the. So once you selected the picture you want with a transfer background, you do this. So make sure it's like this, and then name it. I'm gonna name mine.
I lost contact with Neil for about 2 years.
Halt, because that is halt.
So one day,
and then you have to wait a few seconds here.
They gave me a number that was like.
So if you press save, then just wait a couple seconds. It'll take a few minutes. And then you'll see your new character that's right there. That's halt. And then you just gotta wait until he loads right there.
He came forth and told the truth. He came forth and told the truth.
So you have to wait until he's there.
His father said,
and then you saw him.
Yeah, it was his father. He said he felt terrible about it, you know, but
okay, so
shut up. And that was
now
don't pay him.
he will be.
You know, the second time he was like, no,
if you didn't put him in any category,
you know,
then he'll be. Then it'll be in the mist. Then the image will be in the mist.
I don't think he felt there was anything wrong. Because think about it. If in reality you're doing nothing wrong.
So it did this is halt. You have got a halt.
You're doing nothing wrong. Now the only thing that was on your own. Yeah, well, see, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. A pedophile. Pedophilia is uncontrollable. Right? It's uncontrollable. You ain't gonna be a controlled pedophile. And that's why I didn't think Michael Jackson wasn't doing it. But, you know, you can't do it, you know, this week and not do it next week. You know, so. But I went to Detroit City. You went
Ball.
That's what Neil was talking about. Upstairs, just before you walked in, right out of high school, me and him with the carpet. Oh, y'all with the carpet? In the carpet. And then he was missing. Like, he wasn't in class, so one day he was in with your sister. And I went over to her house. He was like, hey, why didn't you come to school? He was like, ain't no joke.
Ball. Subscribe for more.